Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Jenny Sephora, and on my channel I do lots of reviews, hauls, and how-tos. So if you love all of those, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we are going to be talking about our huge Sephora order. It is that time of year and I did some damage. Also, my battery is gonna die soon, so if you see me kind of rushing through this and kind of talking really fast, that's because I am just working against time right now. So I'm gonna stop babbling. Let's get started. First thing I picked up is a Pharmacy Green Clean Melting Cleansing Balm. You guys, I love this thing. If you saw my previous haul, I picked this up again, and I will continuously pick this up until they discontinue it or they change the formula. I was scrolling through TikTok just like everyone else, and I stumbled upon this girl's video. She was saying that if you love the Pharmacy Green Clean, that you're gonna love the Sephora Melting Cleansing Balm. It is a cleanse and balance balm. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, I started using some of the stuff just because I did purchase this on the first day of the sale, and it is now Tuesday, so I was too anxious to like hold off. But this is what the cream looks like. It's actually a very huge tub. It is 4.22 fluid ounce for only $10. This is by Sephora, where this one is 3.4 fluid ounce for like $40-ish. So far it does really good. I've only used a little bit of it, but it works so good, just as good. If you're in the market for a new cleansing balm, this one's a pretty good one, but this one is like my tried and true, so there's that. So this is just a restock. It is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I love this thing. It is amazing. It does wonders for my skin, especially during the cold winter times or if my skin's acting funny. You guys, I kid you not, last night I had a pimple in my nose. I used this, well, using what's left of my other one in my bathroom. I put it on and I don't have a pimple in my nose anymore. It's freaking amazing. I love this so much. I don't know what kind of magic is in this cream, but I freaking love it. This is also a restock. This is a Sol de Janeiro Bright Cream. This came out, I believe, last season, and it is just, it just smells so good. Trader Joe's did make it like a little dupe version of this of their own, and it comes out during the summertime, and it is almost identical. This one is a little more creamier or smoother, I guess you can say, and it's just amazing. And they did come out with a new one, and it is the Beja Flor. I'm not sure if I pronounced this correctly, but I actually chit chat about this one, especially on TikTok and Instagram, so I decided to purchase it. And also just because it's supposed to like help you maintain a youthful Brazilian bounce and deeply moisturize it, so it's like collagen, like tighten your skin. So I purchased this one, and if you guys ever smell the Burberry Her perfume, this smells just like it, and it's just, it smells amazing. Perfect spring summer lotion. I love it. And this actually is a new purchase for me. I actually started using it. It's actually a little too light for me for a bronzer, especially just because I do get darker in the summertime. And so far it's okay. It is creamy, it is smooth, like it does glide on, it doesn't like cling on to your foundation, so I love that. It is pretty small for like $15, like it's the size of my palm, but so far it's okay. I'm in the market for a new bronzer. They were completely sold out of the Makeup by Mario, so I couldn't stock up on that, but yeah, it's okay so far. So the next thing is a repurchase. This is the Ole Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. I do have sensitive skin, so this exfoliator is actually very gentle on my skin. I can use it every day and it won't hurt me, but I also don't exfoliate every day. But I love this thing. My boyfriend actually uses this as well, so it's a perfect time to purchase the large one. This next purchase is actually a new one. It is new for this brand as well. It is a 10% waterless vitamin C serum by Pharmacy. This actually launched earlier last week, and I've been trying to find a new vitamin C serum that like works for me, and so I'm hoping this works out. I'm excited to try this out. I've been waiting to like film this video first, and then I'll be storing all this stuff back into like my bathrooms and all that fun stuff. These are actually repurchases. I actually bought 2 just because I'm afraid of like running out of this brow pencil, just because they are so freaking amazing. Like I said, Brow Cheat makes it so easy to fill in your brows. I cannot stop raving about it. And if you guys have been here long enough, I used to rave about the Precisely My Brow, but you guys, this takes the cake. I decided to pick up the Hollywood Flawless Filter again in the shade 4.5. Just because I keep seeing this all over social media, all over my TikTok, Instagram, and I'm like, you know what? Let me give it a try again. Maybe the one that I bought last time was bad, and it was you know, something was wrong with the product. So I purchased a new one in a mini, and let's try it out again. But I don't know, we'll see. Wish me luck. If you guys are obsessed with the Kardashians as well, okay, so Makeup by Ario, who is Kylie Jenner's makeup artist, he says he uses the blushes that by Sephora, I couldn't snag the shade that he uses because it was instantly sold out, but I got a shade similar to it, so I'm excited to try it. And it's a different shade for me. I'm not a big bright coral peachy blush kind of person. I'm more of like a mauve tone, so I'm excited to try this out. This next purchase is a repeat. It is the One Size Turn Up the Base concealer. I freaking love this thing. Ever since it came out to the market, I have not used another concealer. I just keep grabbing it, and honestly, the perfect timing, because it's like basically empty almost. I'm like scraping the edges for it, so I'm so excited. I love this concealer. You guys need it. If you guys haven't tried it, go try it out. It is hydrating, perfect coverage, I just can't get enough of it. Following One Size, I actually purchased the Point Made 24-hour liquid eyeliner pencil. In the market for a new eyeliner, usually if I do wear eyeliner, it is the Silly George Linerbond, but I just wanted like a regular liner, and you know, I love One Size already, so I figured, why not try it out? I probably will not be disappointed. The next thing I got is actually a brush. It is by Sephora. It is their number 24. It's a blending brush. Sephora brushes are actually really, really good, and I usually take the time to like purchase this during the sale. It's just a regular fluffy brush. I love their brushes. They're just amazing quality for such a decent price. These next 2 purchases are really just repeats. Reason why my hair is in a ponytail is because it's gross and it needs to be washed, but whatever. It is a shampoo and conditioner by Briogeo. I am like just obsessed with this thing. I cannot get enough of it. Okay, so if your mom didn't tell you to wear sunblock when you're younger, I'm gonna tell you now, wear your sunblock. But Supergoop did come out with a new sunblock, and I'm always in the market for a new sunblock. I'm like obsessed with it. I don't want to grow old and have wrinkles and all that crazy stuff. So I picked up Supergoop's new sunblock. I did wear this over the weekend as well, just because I was excited to try this out. And it does give my skin a very glowy look. It doesn't look greasy glowy, just glowy. But I'm excited to try this out underneath my makeup and see how that wears. But for right now, I am super excited about this. The next thing I got is the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. I love this thing. It wears really well underneath makeup, or when I'm not wanting to wear any makeup. It just sits really well on top of the skin. Also, because my boyfriend also uses this, just because he is so lazy to like blend out the sunscreen. So this is like super easy for him to use as well. And the next thing I got is another repurchase. It is the Way Super Dry Shampoo. I love this thing. It's been a repurchase. I buy the minis. And another thing that I also purchased is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Broad Spectrum SPF 45 moisturizer. I've been adding this onto my daily skin routine, and my skin has looked so much better, plus extra SPF. Love that. So yeah, let's move on to the purchases that I made online, just because I couldn't purchase these items in store. So let's get started. So the first thing is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. If you're a makeup artist, this would be your new best friend. I'm not a makeup artist, but sometimes I do get lazy and I need to clean my brushes real quick, and this is like perfect. It dries your brushes super quick, makes it super clean, it gets it super cleaned. I love these two perfumes. This is the Alien Muggler and this is the Alien Goddess. I'm obsessed with these. These perfumes have been like my go-to. I've been switching it off and on between these two, and I just don't know which one I really want yet, so I can't commit to a full size yet, but I have been obsessed with these. The next thing is actually the Melt Slick Waterline Eye Pencil. It is so creamy, you guys. I'm very sensitive, and when I mean sensitive, I mean like if I poke myself, it's gonna be red for a while, and I've been trying to find a really good waterline that like won't, when it glides on, it won't hurt or it won't smudge. And I actually purchased the apricot version, and now I want the darker one because I feel like this one just looks a little too artificial, kind of like it's too bright, where this one I can like wear it more everyday-ish. I don't know, I sound a little crazy, but this is just a brown liner, because you know you can't go wrong with brown liner. Okay, so the next thing is the Kosas concealer. I've also been seeing Kosas all over my social media, so I decided to try out the concealer first, and we'll try out the foundation later, but hopefully I got the right shade. I don't know, I picked it out off online, so wish me luck. The next two items are actually new items by One Size. It is the bronzer and the blush. I am so excited to try this out. Every launch of theirs I have been so obsessed with. Let's see if I can actually try to open this and try to beat the camera, just because it is dying on me. Okay, so this feels so luxe, but this is what the blush looks like. It is so freaking beautiful. I am so obsessed to try this out. So last but not least, I purchased the Oribe Mini Hair Set. I actually love their perfume, and I've been seeing this popping up on my like page every time I open up the Sephora app, so I was just like, it's a sign, plus it's a sale, so perfect timing. And look how cute they look. Like, I'm so excited to be washing my hair. Okay, so this wraps up my Sephora haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave, and comment down below what you purchased, or if you've tried any of these items that I purchased, and let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.